You are going to love the 2018 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV. Advanced technology and thoughtful ergonomics, the Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 10,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: XM satellite radio, Bose sound system, anti-lock braking system, heated seats, power passenger seat, all-wheel drive, quad seating, navigation system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.